Amazon's been. Amazon hasn't half been, by the way. Oh, it's getting worse. It's getting worse. So we're over to do some work today. Sharon's here.
Holidays.
So I'm renaming the van though. I'm renaming it Fridge. Because it's fucking freezing inside it. Right guys, I am not looking forward to this job. I've got to angle grind 4 bolts out. It's held us up for, how long has it held us up for? About a week. I've had to break out the diesel boilers. It's been sacrificed. I'm not doing it. I better do it for inside the van. I'm better on my hands and knees. YouTube, am I better on my hands and knees for this? I'm giving myself a wee break before my heart explodes.
Doing anything?
Eh?
You doing anything?
Aye, I'm cutting through it.
Aye,
I'm cutting through it. I'm just at a wee bit now where it's a bit weird because I'm now cutting into this as well, so it's a bit harder. So
Did you do that as well?
aye, he did do that as well, but it's just making it a wee bit harder.
Doing fine. Okay, fine.
When you get it that way.
Everything's okay, fire Ryan? Yep.
Yep, everything's fine, fire rise.
Yeah.
We got one, guys. We got one.
It smells good, Barney.
It was.
Is that how it smelled last night?
Aye.
Well done, what?
Next one.
You maybe like that till we done for a wee minute or something.
Maybe. Maybe a wee
Take a wee break, you did one, well done. Yay! Well done you. How's your nerves?
My nerves are no any better, to be honest. I thought they would have been alright after day one. Eh?
How many more have you got?
2.
That was like fun.
No, it's not. You want a shot?
No, I wouldn't have a clue what to do.
wee bit of wood off you.
Hi.
Yay! Number 2.
Don't touch any of them, by the way, they'll be red hot.
Well done, you.
One more to go,
Then you can breathe.
and then I know I've survived.
So haven't got to move over. We've got to wait these things cooling down and that. But
These ones there here should be very full.
hello. Oh, this is my job. Try to get all the sickly flakes off so we can get the bolts unbolted. That one, you remember how bad it was, and the one up there, you'll probably see very well. It's the same. Got a wee bit of sickle foots just to get the last wee bits. WD-40, I mean. But I've got these other two sides, and I ain't getting to them from here, so we're going to go get ladders and get them out.
I've got screws anyway.
Hey! So is this bit just going to come up or?
I'm letting Sharon get this last bit. I don't know, there might still be screws left in it, we'll see. Yay! It doesn't look too bad. I thought the floor might be, obviously you can see the state of that wood there. That's not too bad. Nah. Stomp that round the other side and...
There's a push van! Where's this going?
Well, we're still keeping it, aren't we? Apart yet. All I'm doing is I'm going to have to just cut.
Right there.
Have it there. Still better to have it than not have it, aye.
Just putting it down there with the rest of it.
Aye, shame I can't use it as a template, but it's fucked. There's a wee van all tidied. All ready for some more rubbish to go into it.
Oh, what was that? Comfy shite today. So rubbish pile, keepy pile.
And then... the other van just needs all cleaned, wire brushed, painted, got all the rusty bits up.
We're doing that tomorrow.
That's what we're doing tomorrow.
And I've done the sickle flakes.
Oh aye, and Sharon's
showed
taking... Oh, have you showed them?
Yeah.
So this self-employed building van malarkey is actually alright when stuff works, eh?
Yep.
We're giving ourselves an early finish today.
Yeah.
I think we deserve it.
It's the first day that things have actually worked.
So we're going to go and buy some nice food and celebrate.
Yep.
But that was good, that's the floor. That has literally been since last Tuesday, which is a week exactly the day I've been stumped with that.
Now you're a grinder.
Now I'm a grinder. Me and the grinder made friends actually. I quite like using it to take screws out. It's not so good with big thick bolts, but wee tiny screws. Right, hopefully tomorrow we're doing more work and seeing differences. So we're back over to deal with the rest of this floor. You can see it. Pretty rusty in certain bits, but hopefully it's not too bad.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the leaves. never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we go and we run to the end and we run without shame.
Here's where we're at today then. So the floor's all been swept out, just the back bit to be cleaned. This has all been cleaned, wire brushed, so it's just needing painted. I think I might go start cracking on with the painting while Sharon's cleaning this bit, because it doesn't look like there's too much rust to get dealt with up here, weirdly. Sharon's done.
And we hold in the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Ooh, getting caught in the mist of so many.
Progress is being made. It might not look much, but that floor was rotten, especially up at the top. So as I said before, if you're doing anything where you're going to have wee metal filings, brush them up. So tomorrow it is filling the holes. We've got some holes that need filled and maybe sound deadening. But we're getting there. What day is it tomorrow? Thursday. So me and Sharon have got another 4 days before we're back at work. So we'll see what we can get done.